One, two, three, one, two, three. Yeah. Hey guys, my name is Victor, and I'm co-founder of TextLink. And today I'm gonna be talking to people who are looking for a Twilio alternative. So we have a bit of a plan for this video. It's not gonna take too long, but first is what issues did we see with Twilio, and if you can actually relate. The second one is how are we solving them using TextLink, and the third one is some tech stuff. But before we begin, I want to drop a little disclaimer. Uh, TextLink is kind of hacky. It goes into a bit of a gray zone. It delivers amazing results, but if you're not comfortable with that, with the way it works, I suggest you click on this video. So yeah, let's get into it. So my co-founder and I, before creating TextLink, used to use Twilio for SMS arbitrage. So we would buy messages on Twilio and resell them to our users at a premium about 40%. Why could we do this? So uh, creating a Twilio account is complex. I mean, it's not complex to create it, but getting like numbers and resources and content that you want and limits is very badly done in their service because Twilio is made for large companies. MessageBird is made for large companies. They don't care about us. Like if you have a startup which needs to send about like a couple of thousand messages a day, or like let's say maybe 10,000, something like that, you don't exist for them. They just once you unknowingly break some terms that they have set up in some small footprint, you just get banned. You can't appeal pretty much. I mean, you can, but pretty much never works. They restrict your usage. They don't allow you to send to US. They require HP registration. It's such a hard and long process that we had to do something. So if you can actually relate to this and you use services like this, like Twilio or MessageBird, EasyText, like Triage, whatever, and can relate to these issues, I think TextLink could maybe solve most of your problems regarding SMS marketing, or just outreach, or just regular API. We're not labeled as a marketing platform. We are marketing first. Most of our users use our bulk SMS tools, but I think we can be used as a like general purpose SMS API. So yeah, now that we have this covered, let's actually talk about what TextLink is and how it works. So we allow you to use your own devices as mini SMS servers to send text messages, whether it's via our APIs or via our local tools. So you just need an Android device. You need a SIM card that can send to your destination. That's important. So if you want to send messages to the US or Canada, you need a device that's either in the US or Canada. If you want to send to Germany, you preferably need a device in Germany or a SIM card that can send to Germany for like fixed rates. So for example, you pay for a package like $10 a month and you can send infinite messages. So you can't really send infinite messages. We have a bunch of locks to protect your SIM card because, as I said in the beginning, it's kind of a gray zone, but it works really well. Deliverability is amazing. Response rates are like 80%. It's like an insane communication channel if you can actually set it up right. But the reason most people don't use it is because it's restricted with platforms such as the ones that people use today. So yeah, you need an Android device, you need a SIM card that can send to your desired destination, and just keep that phone charged and keep it online. And that's your mini SMS server. So after you have that, what do we give you? We give you SMS API, we give you verification API, we give you no code SMS tools, like if you've ever used like Smart Lead or any bulk email software, there's a bunch of them. It's pretty similar. You just import your contacts, you create a message, you We can have custom fields for each contact. We can have custom triggers for responses and stuff like that. You just click send and it starts blasting. We also have integrations with platforms for automation such as Make, Zapier, blah, 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 a bunch of others, and go high level for people who want to use this as a messaging provider for their clients. So yeah, I think we went over like briefly what TextLink is. Of course, feel free to register, check out our tools. I will leave a couple of other videos in the description, like explaining what we do. But as I said, here's like we have APIs, we have no-code tools. We can like select a campaign, go next. We can here create like custom templates, okay, whatever, doesn't matter. Yeah, we can also like we allow you to suggest features. There's a bunch of tutorials here that you can check out. Helping resources. We also have an affiliate program for those who are interested. We give 20% of recurring revenue to our affiliates. And yeah, you can also add a bunch of sub accounts, manage members, but that's not really the main point in this video. The main point is to actually understand what TextLink is in relation to like already established services. So yeah, now what do we say? The third part is a bit of the tech part. So how does it work in background? What we do is we have an Android app. It's Android exclusive. You can't install it on the iOS because iOS is restrictive in terms of these functionalities. You install it. You keep your phone, as I said before, online and on charger. You allow us like a bunch of permissions, and that's it. We use Android native API to send and read text messages from that device, its SIM card, and we display everything in our dashboard. So yeah, how do we protect your SIM cards? We have a bunch of locks in place, like minimum time between messages, SIM monitoring, lots of stuff that we have learned from our previous users. So regarding a bit of social proof, we actually had a campaign on AppSumo, which did about 80,000 in sales in about 2 months. We have about 650 paying users. So we're not huge, but it works. Like it actually works. You can read the reviews, you can contact those people, you can see the videos that people made about us. It's like, yeah, this is just an honest intro from the founder, trying to help fellow founders break free from the large established corporations that don't give a shit about us. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.